Everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a tunnel in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make a rectangle with any position and any size. It's just for simple example to modeling it, and then we can push it up with any size as we want anyway. Then we have to make it group, and after that we can select this 2-point arc and position from the corner to the right corner. Then we can just select, we can adjust the bulge, and then we can click, and then we can offset it inside with any thickness as we want anyway. Okay, and after that we can select this two curve line and select copy and just enter in this group, and then we can paste in place. Okay, and after that we can see about the combination between the curve line and the solid box anyway. Then we can just delete some unnecessary extended line over there and over there. Then and after that we can push it until the limit, so it will be clear as we can see on this video. Okay, and then we can make another material with the material as we want. Maybe we can use this material, maybe, or another material, maybe with this material, or anything we want. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be benefit a lot of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.